Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself Muin Nawaz and welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous upload, I shared 5 amazing tips and tricks to enhance your MS Word skills. Today, I am back with 5 more powerful tips that will make your Word experience even smoother and more efficient. Let's dive in and take your skills to next level. At number 6, quick font size. If you want to change your font size very quickly, just highlight the text and hold Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than key. And if you want to decrease the font size, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus less than key. You can also change your font size from here and you can decrease it from here. At number 7, vertical select. Normally when you select text in MS Word, it does in order like this. But we can also select text vertically. For this, we have to press Alt key, then select the text. When it's done, you can change its font size, its color, and apply different function on the group of text you selected. At number 8, clipboard multi-paste. We can select multiple paragraph and copy them to clipboard. For this purpose, we have to click here the clipboard option. From the left side, you will see a tab open. Now we select a paragraph and press Ctrl C. It will show in the left side. Then we select another paragraph and press Ctrl C. Then it will also be copied. Similarly, we copy a third one. It will also show in left side. And if we want to paste it, then the paragraph which we want to paste, then we have to click on the paragraph. Now this paragraph is pasted here. We can also paste this. We can also paste this. So that was the clipboard multi-paste option. At number 9, shrink one page. If you have text on 2 pages, you can shrink it to one page. For this purpose, we have to click on customize quick access tool. From here, go to more commands, then select all commands. Now search for shrink one page option. Now add to quick access toolbar. Press OK. From here, select all text. Go to quick access toolbar and shrink to fit. From here you can see our text is shrinked to one page. At number 10, dark mode, we can change our theme. Just go to file, then select option. From here select office themes. From here you can select black and press OK. Now you can see the dark mode is applied. We can also change it, options, themes, and dark gray. That is my favorite font. Now we can change the page color also. From here select page color. From here you can select the color which you want. I hope today video is going to be very useful. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon so you can get the notification of my new videos.